Hey folks, it's a little cool in the boat shed here today. It's about mid-60s. Epoxy's a little thick again, but this is the deck that goes in between the first two frames, station A and B. And there's no structure underneath of it, it's just a void space. And I'm glassing the bottom first before I lay it down, and then I'll glass the top once it's in position. So I'm using the best rollers again. They seem to work better on the heavier fabrics. So we'll let this set up and possibly install it tomorrow. I've got to sand and paint the build section that will cover, and with a bit more to do on the storage locker up forward. This is our 1708 fiberglass, and really the underside of the deck is just for waterproofing, so using 1708 is kind of massive overkill. But my view is that portion of the bow right behind the bow thruster is a structural component, so the stronger it is the better. You never know what you're going to run into in the river, so the stronger the better. This is a piece of very heavy wall fiberglass tube that was left over from the bow thruster installation. You can see the angle that it was cut on here. What I intend to do to protect the depth sounder transducer is glue in and tape a section about this high so that the depth sounder transducer is protected from being knocked around or kicked or anything like that. There's no chance that it will actually leak. This is a shoot through the hull transducer, so this section of the hull has about a ½ inch of solid glass. There's no core in it, and that's as per directions from the manufacturer, which was Airmar. I think Airmar 73. I can't remember the exact model number of the transducer, but so all I have to do is scribe the angle and recut it here, and then I can just glue and tape that into place. So